Good morning everyone. Previously we have read about that was meeting and bonding with our relatives. When we meet our family and when relatives come to your house, on which occasion, some of the occasions when you meet your family members, it feels very love and very happiness. Okay, when you feel, then you feel okay, family gathering is a provide opportunity to meet people, isn't it? Now we are going to learn and read about family bond. What is family bond? I have written here, bond means when we come in contact to each other. Okay, I'm just meeting with my brother, or you meet with your brothers which you have not met them like a very long time. Okay, when we meet very oftenly, okay, you feel love, you feel very happy, okay, to meet any of your loving people. Okay, when you meet your mother after a long time, you feel very happy, isn't it? That is a bond. Okay, that it shows love. Okay, when you feel happy by meeting those people. Okay, now what is family bonding? By living in a family, we learn the tradition of our family and the culture of the society. When we live together in the family, we come across by others' behavior, isn't it? When anybody is who lives in family members, okay, they come to know that what my grandfather likes, okay, in eating, or what if my grandfather likes very much like sweets. Okay, and if you are living with your parents, okay, so you genuinely knows that what they are like to do. Okay, we generally know what is the custom, what is the tradition of our family, isn't it? For example, respecting our elders and being polite to them is our culture, and visiting grandparents and relatives on festival is a family tradition. Now, if there is a very good environment in a family, in every family you will learn about how to speak with them. When we are talking about, or when you are talking to elder, or as younger people, you should talk them politely, isn't it? You should not use harsh word. Harsh word means like very shouting words, screaming. You should not do that. You should always talk with them politely and a very harmonious manner, isn't it? So, and when we, that is our culture, isn't it? This is our culture. It should be inside your soul. Okay, your soul should be pure about that, by respecting or by taking care of your elders, isn't it? And celebrating the festivals like Diwali, Holi. There are certain festivals are there. So this is our tradition that we celebrate that festival, isn't it? A strong family bond provides love and security to its member. Now, our strong family bonds, okay, when we live together without any, you can say, disputes, okay, any partitions, okay, so it feels and it provides love and security, isn't it? After that, learning and caring. What is learning? Learning means when we learn something to our grandparents, to our elders, to our friends, okay, or our mother and father. Likewise, I am giving example of myself. I have learned cooking from my mother. I have learned reading from my father. Okay, I have learned art or drawing from my brother, isn't it? So this is learning. When you learn something, when you get to know something, that is learning. And what is caring? When you take care of others, although they are your elder or your younger, isn't it? Now, a family teaches us many things. It helps in shaping our personality. We learn to care and look after one another. Okay, this is very important. You know, when we live in a very good environment, it makes you a good person, isn't it? Building a career, isn't it? Building a career in behind of any student or behind of any children, it's a very big hand of your parents and your family. However, your family is very good or not, it doesn't matter. It shows in your child, isn't it? Okay, so you can know by a child that what is your family's environment, because if he gets a good environment, he will be a good person. If he gets a very bad environment, he will be that person itself, isn't it? So it's totally based on your family environment, how it is, isn't it? Now we learn to take care of one another, and family, it should be always loving, yeah, so we can learn many things to them. Okay, being a human being, it means you have that qualities of loving each other, take care of each other, isn't it, and respect each other. It is very important. So work and responsibilities are shared among the families of our members of our family. Now when we live together, there are certain works, so it divides the responsibilities. Okay, like my mother is used to cook food, so this is her responsibility. My father feeds us, like he earned money, so this is his responsibility. My grandparents look after the home, okay, so this is his responsibility. When we live together, there are certain responsibilities. It's divided into categories, isn't it? So adults are role models of our younger members of a family. Now adults means the elder people of our family, like our sister, brother, elder brother, bade bhai, okay, they are the role model. Role model means we follow them. A younger brother, they follow them, how they are dressing, how they are reading, how they are going outside, isn't it? So they learn this all activities from your elders, brother and sister, okay. Now they teach children to be responsible, disciplined and well mannered. So obviously every younger or elder brother and sister, they like to, or they must do that they always teach your younger brother, that is how to be responsible, how to take care of others, how to be always disciplined, because discipline is very important in your whole life, because it can if you are indisciplined, it can destroy your whole life. You should be disciplined and punctual every time, isn't it? And you should always well mannered too. Well mannered means you should be polite, you should be humble, you should always take caring, and your voice should always have that audibility that others can love you, isn't it? Okay, they also teach children good values and to respect others. Yeah, obviously we always learn to respect and giving values to others. Values means what? Like if my grandparents are telling me something to do, I am not listening at all, that is not a value. I am giving them respect, okay. I should give them respect by hearing their words. It can help me to be a good person, isn't it? Okay, children also learn to take care of their family members and guests from their elders. Okay, when anybody comes our house, we always take care of them. We offer them water, we offer them some sweets. Okay, this all shows what? This all shows respect, isn't it? Now there is a word of wisdom, that is the values of each family are different from each other. This is because the values are based on the custom, tradition, religion of that family. So we should respect values of every family. Now in India is called a land of customs, isn't it? Land of custom means people are living of every religion, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christians, every religion, okay. So every religion had different customs, okay. Indians celebrate Holi, Diwali, Muslims celebrate Eid, Bakrid, Muharram, okay. Christians celebrate Christmas Day, Good Friday, okay, and Sikhs celebrate Lohri, and there are certain more festivals are there, okay. So they are celebrating different festivals, so the religion is different, so the custom also will be different and the tradition also is, but it all together shows love, nothing else, love, okay. They have that bond, they have that harmonious nature, okay, and celebrating any festival shows love, okay, and we should respect that custom as well as that tradition itself, isn't it? Now the last topic is family structure. I will give you with the PDF, sorry, not PDF, with the worksheet in the next video. Thank you.